going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlight as well as your headlight assembly on a 2004 GMC Envoy. It's probably about the same for the 2004 on up. But all right, all you got to do is you'll see like these tabs right here. There'll be one right here and one over here. Pull these up like that on both sides, and once you do that, you kind of want to just slide, make sure it's all the way up. Once you do that, you kind of just want to slide out the headlight like that, and the whole headlight assembly will come out like this. Make sure you pick it up over it, and once you have the headlight assembly out, what you'll see now is your actual light. So to change out, say your light, normally you want to go inside, you just spin it, you just kind of want to spin it up or down, and this whole piece will pop out. Same thing over here, you can see this one, you just kind of spin them and they'll come loose. So if you can see inside of here, this is actually where your headlight's at. And then you'll have one over here, probably like your turn signal or something like that. So after you spun it, see how I just spun it? And once you spin, your headlight comes out like that. And then you unplug right here in the back to take this whole piece off of here and put your new headlight in. Then you just want to go back inside the hole, stick it back in, and then spin it down like I just did. Same thing for this one. If you change this one out, then you want to take it, and if you can see right here, you'll have these little rubber pieces right here, which is basically what's going inside of here. So you just want to take it, slide it back in, putting those little rubber pieces back in these holes you'll see like that, kind of put situated in on both sides. And then once you have it, you want to push down these tabs right here just like that, and pretty much you're done. Once again, folks, this is how you would change out your headlights on a 2004 GMC Envoy. It's probably the same for multiple years. All right, thanks.